Current affairs, today's headlines, October 19, 2022. India. Indus Waters Treaty. World Bank appoints Chairman of Court of Arbitration regarding Pakistan's objections over India's Kishanganga and Ratal hydroelectric power plants. Uttarakhand. Helicopter ferrying pilgrims crashes near Kedarnath Shrine. All 7, dead. India ranked 51st on Internet freedom by US NGO Freedom House. India. France re-elected as President and Co-President of International Solar Alliance (ISA) at 5th General Assembly in New Delhi. PM addresses 90th Interpol General Assembly at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. Economy and corporate. Cabinet approves minimum support prices for all rabi crops for marketing season 2023-24. Wheat MSP raised by 110 rupees to 2,125 rupees per quintal. Def Expo 2022 inaugurated in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Theme: Path to Pride. Senior ICAS officer Bharati Das takes charge as Controller General of Accounts. Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar announces creating fund of 500 crore rupees as accelerator program for startups working in agriculture sector. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh launches integrated pensioners. India ranks 41st out of 44 countries' 2022 Global Pension Index. Mercer. Reliance Jio overtakes BSNL to become largest landline service provider in August. World Booker Prize 2022, awarded to Sri Lankan author Shehan Karunatilaka for his novel, The 7 Moons of Mali Almeida. Russian warplane crashes into residential area near Sea of Azov after suffering engine failure, killing 13. Australia drops recognition of West Jerusalem as Israel's capital. Sports. Real Madrid and France footballer Karim Benzema awarded Ballon d'Or trophy in Paris. Barcelona